In today's video, I am going to teach you how to get options price on Google Sheets, vertical bar hash shorts. If you have tried using the Google Finance function for options, it will not work because Google Sheets does not support options data natively. To pull options prices like bid, ask, volume, or a midpoint price, you will use a third-party add-on called Market Data. Start by opening Google Sheets and creating a blank spreadsheet. At the top menu, open Extensions, then go to Add-ons and select Get Add-ons. This opens the Google Workspace Marketplace. In the search bar, type Market Data, then select the Market Data add-on from the results, and begin the install. During installation, Google will ask you to review permissions. Click Continue through the prompts, choose your Google account if needed, and then confirm by clicking Continue again so the add-on can connect to your spreadsheet. Once the add-on is installed, go back to your sheet. Open Extensions again, find Market Data in the list, and click it. Then click Start to launch the add-on. At this point, you may be taken to the Market Data site to set up access. Choose the Starter Trial option, then fill in the required sign-up fields on the form. Use your own information, and make sure everything is entered accurately so the account activates correctly. Continue through the remaining prompts until setup is complete, then return to Google Sheets. Now you are ready to pull options prices with formulas. In any cell, you can use the Option Data function in this format. Option Data, then the symbol, expiration date, strike price, the type which is call or put, and finally the data type you want returned, such as mid. For example, you can enter Option Data AAPL, January 16, 2026, 150, call, mid. Press Enter, and the cell will populate with the current midpoint price for that specific contract. If you want the full options chain instead of a single contract, use the Option Chain function. Type Option Chain AAPL and run it. And Sheets will import the available contracts in a table so you can review them at once. And that is all there is to it.